Pulse oximeter has a very important role in patient care, especially during these pandemic times. It is very important to understand what pulse oximeter does and its importance. Before going into that, let us understand about oxygen saturation, which is also known as SpO2. As we all know, we have hemoglobin in our blood, which carries oxygen to different parts of the body. There should be sufficient amount of oxygen that is needed for our body to function efficiently. So oxygen saturation is the amount of oxygen that is dissolved in the blood. A pulse oximeter is a small device which is non-invasive and which is painless. It is placed on the tip of the finger and it measures the oxygen saturation on the finger pulse. Clip the device onto your finger and keep it there for 6 to 10 seconds. Your oxygen saturation and pulse rate would be displayed on the screen of the device. A healthy person should have their oxygen saturation or SpO2 ranging from 94 to 99% while breathing in the normal room air. Avoid nail polish and make sure your hands aren't too cold before using the device because these factors can interfere with the accuracy of the test. In some COVID-19 patients, approximately around 15%, the infection can lead to acute respiratory distress and also pneumonia, warranting hospital admission. This happens because of oxygen dropping below 90%. Oxygen saturation dropping below 90% can also happen in COPDs, asthma, and also anemia. And this can lead to multi-organ failure if not treated. In some COVID-19 patients, there is a gradual drop of oxygen saturation associated with progressive breathing difficulty. However, some asymptomatic COVID-19 patients have no idea that their oxygen saturation is running low because they're able to just breathe fine. This phenomena is commonly dubbed as happy hypoxia. This is where the pulse oximeter can come to rescue. If you fall under high risk group such as diabetes, hypertension, heart diseases, it's always recommended to keep a pulse oximeter handy. And if you are recently tested positive for COVID-19, it's always important to keep a watch on the saturation. It has to be above 90%. But in case if your oxygen saturation is dropping below 90%, it warrants a hospital admission and inhalational oxygen as a treatment. You don't need a prescription to buy a pulse oximeter. This simple device can potentially save lives and also prevent panic during this situation. You can always take a COVID self-assessment on mFind to know if you are at risk, or also do antibody tests to know if you recently had an infection. Please note that this is not a diagnostic test, but for any flu-like symptoms, you can always consult me or any other doctor on mFind. Stay home, stay safe.